Bird? What's going on?
When did Buster start playing rhythm and blues?
Whoa. Ain't no such thing as rhythm and blues, man. DJs don't like to call it that. This is rock and roll, man. The music of today. Yeah, go. Don't fit.
All this off of playing in B flat?
Shit, you figure it out, man. B flat tonight, F sharp tomorrow. 12 notes in the scale. Buster's got himself 12 different shows without repeating himself once.
Don't fit.